Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will how to see what motherboard do I have. Chapter 1. How to see what motherboard do I have from system information. To start, in the search box, enter that info 32. Click on System Information. Now you find the details of the motherboard in the baseboard product and baseboard manufacturer lines. Chapter 2. How to see what motherboard do I have from terminal. To start, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Select Yes to access. After this, in the terminal, execute the command on the screen to see the details of your PC's motherboard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.